You're gonna have to wait on it. XAU, shout out for the gifted. If I'm gonna have a dog, I might as well bust in somebody and have a child.
Huh? What the fuck? What the fuck?
I don't want to pick up after some dog's dookie.
Holy fucking
take
shit.
it for walks. Like, I don't feel like doing any of that shit. Thanks for the gifted.
Jesus.
Yeah, dogs, it's just like, it's basically just like a four-legged human. I'm straight, bro. Row, 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 row. I already got 2 cats, I'm straight. I like dogs, I just don't want one. Reactions closed, guys. Mods, let me know if reactions are safe.